So the Hoover Townhouses. I'm wondering if maybe we can send out like an email that people need to get their mail and stuff out of their front doors. It looks a little janky. It's a really big bird's nest up there. I don't know if that's a thing you want to get rid of or not. Not really seeing anything that jumps out at me except the driveways here are really bad. There's really big craters, and then this one will swallow your car whole. If we want to do the parking lot or at least the driveways. Up here we have a whole section of gutter missing. The porch looks like it's kind of crumbling apart here. This bush is taking over and encroaching onto the sidewalk. Oh, we have another whole gutter missing up there. That's about it for the front.